definition of unit charge. What is the unit charge? Charge is 1 coulomb. How to define? You know the force from the Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 and Q2 by R square. You take 1 coulomb of charge here, again 1 coulomb of charge here, keep it at a distance of 1 meter apart, both are positive, assume positive positive or negative negative, whatever it is, positive positive or negative negative. What will happen? Calculate the force. Calculate the force. Force in air. This is what is the value? 1 by, this is 9 into 10 to the power of 9. This is 1 coulomb. This is also plus 1 coulomb divided by 1 square is equal to force in air, or F A is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Force is in Newton. Therefore, 1 coulomb of charge is that charge which, when placed at a distance of 1 meter in vacuum, would repel with a force of 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton. This carries 1 mark. Okay? Therefore, these definitions often they keep asking you, right? Student, they know, but they cannot write it properly. They may understand, but they have to write the same word. 2 identical charges of 1 coulomb would kept at a distance of 1 meter would repel with the force of 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Newton in air or vacuum. Is it clear? Next, relative permittivity. Right? Relative permittivity or dielectric constant. ER or K, they will write it, any one of this. What is called dielectric? Dielectric is what? Insulator. Dielectric. Now, take 2 charges, Q1 and Q2, keep it at a distance, certain distance. Find out the force in air or vacuum. Then force in air is equal to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Now, the same charges Q1 and Q2, keep it in some other medium of dielectric. Right? Dielectric medium. Here epsilon naught. What is epsilon naught? Permittivity of free space. This is epsilon medium. Then what is the force in that medium? Calculate the force in medium. The force in medium is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon medium Q1 Q2 by R square. This is the first equation and the second equation. If I divide one by the other, force in air by force in medium, what will happen? If I divide, what will get? 4 pi get cancelled. This both get cancelled. Because I am keeping at the same distance, is it not? Is equal to 1 by epsilon naught by 1 by epsilon medium or epsilon medium by epsilon naught. It is called epsilon r, which is always greater than 1. Therefore, relative permittivity or dielectric constant, this is also called dielectric constant, is defined as force between two charges in air at certain distance. 2 means divide. Force between the same charges kept at same distance in the medium. The dielectric constant is what? Greater than 1. Right? Therefore, Fa by Fm is greater than 1 or Fa is greater than Fm. That means force between the two charges in air is more than the force between the medium. Got it? This you have to give the definition. For 2 marks they will ask you. 2 marks they will ask you relative permittivity, but you have to write in sentence. Look. Again I will tell you, the relative permittivity or dielectric constant of the medium is the ratio of, this is called ratio of force in free space to force in medium. This is the ratio of force or electrostatic force between or this force is between 2 point charges separated by some distance in air or free space. 2 is what? Divided by 2 means divided by electrostatic force between the same 2 point charges separated by the same distance in medium. See, this is the expanded version. Force between two charges in medium in air to force between the two charges in medium. Right? Therefore, here what? Epsilon medium is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r. Remember this also. Okay? But this definition is what? 1 or 2 marks they will ask you. So they may ask you 2 marks, state and explain. Or write a note on a relative permittivity. This may be, you have to, with a derivation, means you can show this or this. Together 2 marks they will ask you. This 1 or 2 marks. But these all are very, very important. Don't neglect it. Wording are very, very important here. Point charge, electrostatic force, point charge. This is all important, right? Ratio of 2, all that. You got it?